big race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go, Go, Thomas! Go, go, Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Choose a challenger. Thomas versus James. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! You're in the lead! The other racer has taken the lead! You're in the lead! Winner! Magnificent race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it! A complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade your engine. Acceleration! With this upgrade, your engine will gain more speed with each tap of the button. Wow! Your engine is now a silver racer. Silver racers can race at even greater speeds. Keep winning races to become a gold racer. Choose your engine. Thomas! Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Percy. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! You're in the lead! You've taken the lead! Quick! Tap the special boost button! The other racer has taken the lead! You're in the lead! The other racer has taken the lead! You've taken the lead! Quick! Tap the special boost button! Winner! Magnificent race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden